Aloha, here we are today at the Heritage House in Hawaii Kai, and I just got a new listing here. It's unit 508, and I'd love to give you a tour of this wonderful building, which is just one of 8 high-rises here in Hawaii Kai. So as you come up the driveway here at the Heritage House, what I love about it is there is a ton of guest parking, some of which fronts the building here off to the right. And then the parking structure is out the back. And you'll see what I love about this unit I've got listed is there is one parking stall on the same floor of the unit, and then there's a ton more of guest parking on the upper parking deck. Here we are, Heritage House in Hawaii Kai at 6710 Hawaii Kai Drive. Okay, here we are at Heritage House 508, and what I love about this unit is it's directly across the way here from the parking stall. So you've got a parking stall directly across here, and the second stall is on the upper parking deck. You're at 508, as you come in through the door, it's got new luxury vinyl plank flooring that's been installed. Here's bedroom number 2, the full closet. And then you have your guest bath off the hallway here. And then check this out once you come in the main living room. What I love about this too is they kept the lanai. Some of the owners have decided to enclose the lanai on these units. This one has that great indoor-outdoor feeling. And then you come out here and there's a beautiful swimming pool that's part of the common areas here. And then you have a cabana or recreation room that you can rent out for guests if you want to entertain people. And then out the distance, you've got great views of the marina and the ocean. And the owner's really done a great job here with the mirrors and kind of opening up the space. And we got a kitchen that was completely redone this past year in 2024. Lots of storage here. And you've got, newer cabinets, soft closing drawers, stainless steel appliances. Washer dryer is going to be behind this closet here. And once again, you have this beautiful lanai space, which the stagers that were just here the other day said they'd be spending all their time out here, and I would not blame them. So as we come back in, the primary suite is going to be through this pocket door here. And you've got this grand primary suite that kind of takes up the entire space running back towards the hallway on the exterior. So you've got your bed here, double closets here, more, you can put, I've seen people set up like a home office in this space here because it is quite spacious. And as we round around the corner, once again, 2024, newer countertops, new cabinets, and completely redone glazed bathtub. And then you got your little office space here. So that's gonna be a wrap here on Heritage House 508. And then we'll head downstairs to kind of show you the amenities. Okay, now we're back down at the street level, and I wanted to show you the pool, but here's a little bit of the building out the back. And what I love about the Heritage House is, like I mentioned when we're in the unit, is you do still have nice, generous lanais, which not all the high-rises in Hawaii Kai do have open lanais. And here's the common area swimming pool, which is open between 9 to 9. And you also have the recreation room around the corner here as well for parties and events. Well, I hope you enjoyed my tour of the Heritage House here in Hawaii Kai. And if you have more questions about this particular building or unit or high-rises in Hawaii Kai, I'm going to put a link in the comments below so you can find out more about Hawaii Kai's 8 high-rise condominium buildings. And if you have any other questions, I can be reached at 808-371-3509. Mahalo.